Let's start a video now. Okay, Naisha? Come, stay here. Come, stand here. Hi, guys. Meet Anisha. Say hi. 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 So, we are going to open a parcel. Okay? Come. Come here. Come. So, she's going to open the parcel today. Parcel. What is in there? So we have a parcel to open from Tira. Okay. And she's a big makeup lover. What is there? What is in there? Makeup. Say makeup. You wanna open the parcel? You wanna open the parcel? Open. Get up. Stand up. Stand up. We will open. Okay. We are opening the parcel now. Are you excited? Are you excited? Okay. Oh, okay. Ah. Wait. Let me open. You stand here. Don't sit, baby. Come. Come in the frame. She's not coming in the frame. Let us switch the frame. Okay. Hi. Say hi. What is your name? What's your name? It's not opening. Oh. We have a lot of things to open. Anisha, wait. I can't see myself here. We have. अपनी किटी को साइड कर दो अनाइशा. Okay, let's keep the makeup. What do we have? Come here. Tell them what it is. What it is? Wait. Say what it is. Makeup. Let's open the makeup now. Okay. Yay. Show them. Say hi. Come here. Show your face. Come here. Hey, you don't touch it. Wow. What is this? What is this? This is free keychain for lipstick. We have got free. What is this? Ah. What is this? What is this? Hair serum. What? What's this, Anisha? This is face razor. This is face razor we have. Anisha, what is this? What's this? What's this? This is fish care का lip balm. Don't touch it. What is this? Say ah. Do it there. Come here. Do it now. Come. So we have fish care का lip care. Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Tell me yes. Say yes. Okay, so we have one more thing, baby. Wait. See what we have. We have lip gloss. So there are a lot of things that we have got for free. मेरा मेन प्रोडक्ट तो ये है नहीं एक्चुअली जो मैंने ऑर्डर किया था टीरा से, बट आई गॉट लैक्मे का कॉम्पैक्ट एंड I've got this Wish Care का sunscreen which is again free. ये भी मुझे free मिला है guys. This lipstick I've got for free. This bag I got for free. See, TIRA का bag. Come, I'll put you inside. Come in the bag. Come, sit in the bag. You sit. Come, baby, come in the bag. You sit. You go. Put your legs. तुम जाओ अंदर जाओ, पैर रखो पैर. Put. Go in. Oh. I've got my biggest parcel here. Let me take my parcel. Say bye. Say bye. Oh. ओके, तो मेरा जो मेन प्रोडक्ट था वो अब तक आया नहीं है. मुझे ये वीडियो बनाना भी नहीं था, बट सिंस आई हैव दिस मिनी ब्लॉगर आई हैड टू मेक इट. तो इसमें मैंने ऑर्डर क्या क्या करा है वो मैं दिखा दूँ. मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया था, ये ऑर्डर किया था और आई गेस लिप ग्लॉस. हाँ, ये लिप ग्लॉस ऑर्डर किया था और ये और ये मेरे को फ्री मिला है टीरा से. जो मेरा मेन ऑर्डर था वो कुछ और था, वो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है. अब मेरी हालत को थोड़ा इग्नोर करना. एंड आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. सी मेकअप लवर गाइस. Okay, bye.